What's going on, crew? Acquisitions Lou here, back again for another one. As always, if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. And most importantly, is this content helping you? Are you locking up deals? Do you have deals that you need help moving? If you do, you know who to contact. As always, Fire Damage JV. Get with us ASAP. We will help you move these deals and make some money, because at the end of the day, we all want to make some money. We all want to help sellers out. So we all here for the same thing. Nonetheless, I'm trying to fix this lighting as we go. So bear with me. But nonetheless, about to make a called offer. Hope you guys like this content. So I'm about to make an offer on this property right here, which is a beach, not quite a beachfront. As you can see, the beach is right over here. So it's in a beach town. Beach is literally right across the street. So the property is right here, but it is a tear down. So we'll show you guys some photos. We do have some photos, but that's not important right now. The important thing is, are we gonna get this offer? Are we gonna lock this up? So this is the property right here. It's tear down, needs to go down. The structure is still there. So it probably wouldn't make sense to show you the photos anyway, but the interior is so bad and there's holes in the roof that it is a tear down. It needs to come down, right? So as of now, we're hoping to lock this up for at most $75,000, $80,000. So I'm gonna start the negotiations around $55,000, kind of gauge where they're at. This may or may not work out. It is a beach town. There's a lot of different types of comps in the areas. Some of the comps are, or I shouldn't say these are comps, but some of the properties that are directly on the water are worth a lot of money. This property is not directly on the water. It's across the street from the water. They don't have a beach view, they have a lake view. You gotta walk to get to the beach, and stuff like that matters when you're looking at properties, when you're comping properties. All these different little nuances matter at the end of the day. So I'm not sure what they're thinking their property is worth, but nonetheless, I'm gonna gauge the conversations. Let's see how it goes. It's been an interesting past 2 weeks. We've had some 1 call closes, some 2 call closes, and you know, that's not always the case. I don't know how this is gonna go. I may offer her the amount and she may just be fed up, right? Or she may like it. But as always, let's see how this goes, assuming she answers, of course. If she doesn't answer, we're gonna try her back in like a few minutes.
Please leave your message for...
Let's try her back in a little bit.
Hello?
Hi.
Yes, hi.
Hey, how you doing this morning?
Okay, how about you?
Doing well. I appreciate you playing a little bit of phone tag, but appreciate you giving us the green light to go over yesterday, just to confirm everything that you mentioned, which was, like you said, pretty much spot on. There was really no reason to wait until Saturday and go in, because it definitely needs to come down, like you said. So yeah. Took a look. We're estimating between like the tear down and kind of just rebuild process, just about $300,000. But we are still interested. Finance luckily did approve an offer, so we'd love to see where you all at. We can make something work. But right now we did approve an offer of $55,000, and that we cover closing costs and escrow fees as well.
Okay, all right. So at this point, I'll have to run that by my mom. You know, she gets the final decision. Of course. So okay, so $55,000. Okay.
Of course.
All right. Well, thank you. And then I have your number. That's still the best way to reach you.
Of course. And do you know like what are her thoughts, like what she's looking for, what's important for her with the company she's choosing to work with, just in regards to the process and, you know, get everything to the finish line? Because obviously there's a few things involved to kind of get to closing, but do you know like what's important to her?
At this point, she just wants to be done with it.
She just wants to be done. Okay.
Yeah. That's the main thing at this point. And I'm sure the neighbors would like to see that happen too.
Really? Really? Just because? I see. Fair enough. Well, yeah, after you speak to her, just keep us posted. As far as just getting it done, yeah, that's not an issue at all. Give you a smooth process. I don't know if I mentioned it all, but you know, if we're at a number that makes sense for her, or at least close, so we can make something work. Once we get the ball rolling, typically can close up. Let me double check here. You said insurance is done, no mortgage. So yeah, we could pretty much get closed up in typically about 2-3 weeks, especially because we don't have to deal with insurance or any lien holders. So just in regards to a smooth process, it'd be relatively quick. We can assure that for sure. Yeah.
Right. Well,
yeah.
Good.
All right.
Awesome. All right. Let me touch base with her.
Awesome. All right. I appreciate it. We'll talk soon.
Okay.
All right.